Hello everyone, this is Rico McDaniel, President and CEO of Nove. This is a short video to address two common questions we get about Nove money all the time. Number one, why is it only $29? And number two, how is it only $29? People don't understand how we're able to stay in business by offering our services for so low compared to what's out there in the marketplace. First of all, let's address the why. Now, there is an initial setup fee to get started with our services of only $199. That's going to take care of your onboarding, getting your portal set up. That takes care of our software integrations with your accounts that you'll import, and some other administrative costs as well. But after that, it's only $29 per month. It's true. Again, people say, how can you only charge $29 per month for credit repair? I'm going to get into the how a little bit later, but I want you to understand something. It's not just credit repair. See, instead of just credit repair, our company provides credit education, an online budgeting tool, a debt elimination software, and a wealth guide that gives you an abundance of financial literacy and other information to improve all aspects of your finances. Nove is all about making financial success affordable. I strongly believe you should never forget where you come from, no matter how successful you become. I've been blessed and fortunate to achieve a decent amount of success and make great money, but I do remember being broke. I do remember not having access to certain information that kept me from changing my financial situation. See, there are several companies right now, our competitors, that charge several $100s to get started with a service like this, and anywhere from $89 per month up to $150 per month just to maintain the service. And you know what? Many families cannot afford that. See, the people that really need our services are already in a tight financial situation. So even if they were able to get started with a program that was $100 per month and it helped them, they probably couldn't maintain the payments to achieve financial success. See, our company aims to change that. If someone was able to provide my mother access to these kinds of services when I was a child, when we were living in the projects, my life probably would have changed much sooner and she would have been able to enjoy the fruits of her labor earlier in life. We intend to help millions of families across this country become financially educated and have the credit scores they need to build a better lifestyle. And we plan to do this by making it affordable for them to be able to accomplish their goals. So you got to understand, no other company right now is doing this in the country and making it truly affordable. Now, some may ask, how are you able to offer this service for only $29 per month? Rico, we get it. You're trying to save the world. You're trying to save the communities, but they don't understand how we can stay in business. Let me tell you, our business model allows us to do so. See, we're not just a small company trying to only get customers in our local area. We're actually a nationwide provider of these services that are marketed through affiliates. Individuals that are probably just like you that are learning ways to make additional income working from home by referring people to their Nove Money website. As you're probably aware, millions of people need what we offer, and guess what? We have a program that actually pays individuals up to $100 for each customer they refer to us when they get enrolled. So this just puts us in a position to gain thousands of customers on a monthly basis because our proprietary software and amazing systems that we have in place to service our customers, it allows us to maintain excellent profit margins and savings, which we pass on to our customers. Some call it ingenious, but you know what? I call it a blessing. My mother always taught me that we are a blessing to be a blessing to somebody else. And that's what myself and all of our Nove affiliates are doing across this country. Blessing individuals with an opportunity to have better credit and finances to live the lifestyle they deserve. God bless you, and we look forward to helping you achieve your dreams with Nove Money.